no.
You finish on Lloyd clear. It's clear, hammer down holster.
On the hill.
Range is clear, time 2-9.